Tehmina is a passionate advocate for Canadian startups.
We are connecting them with the right investor and also what we believe.
Really have to, especially for young entrepreneurs or people who are just starting out their journey.
Just like you share this, amazing insight.
Explore the exciting opportunities offered by Joytex. Hi, this is Kripa Anand, and welcome to the Canadian SME Small Business Podcast, where we explore the exciting world of Canadian startups and the innovative strategies they're using to make their mark on the global stage. According to a recent report by Startup Genim, Toronto is ranked as the 13th top startup ecosystem in the world, highlighting the growing influence and potential of Canadian startups on the global stage. Joining us today is Tehmina A. Chaudhary, founder and president of the Canada Startup Association, that is the CSA. Tehmina is a passionate advocate for Canadian startups and a driving force in connecting them with global opportunities, particularly in emerging markets. Today, we'll delve into the exciting world of Joytex roadshows, explore why Canadian startups need to look beyond the US market, and discover how CSA is helping startups think differently and scale strategically. Let's get started. Dhamina, welcome to the Canadian SME Small Business Podcast. How are you?
I'm good, Kripa. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I'm really excited to be here.
Dhamina, your dedication to empowering Canadian startups and your expertise in connecting them with global opportunities is first of all tremendous, and kudos to you guys for doing that.
Thank you so much. Being an immigrant entrepreneur myself and, working in Canadian ecosystem, I strongly believe that, Canadian startups need to look beyond borders. And that's what we are trying to do here.
Great. We're eager to learn more about your vision for the Canadian startup ecosystem and how exactly you're helping founders achieve global success. Now, Tehmina, let's start with the exciting initiative of Jitex Roadshows, first of all, right? Why is, international exposure, especially at global tech platforms like Jitex and Expand North Star, critical for Canadian startups?
I think honestly, one of the biggest misconception that Canadian startup has, they always only look US. And what we believe, and they think that US is the only viable market for the expansion for Canadian startups. And it's a really, misconception because there are other markets, especially emerging markets, that they have the thrive and they have the appetite for Canadian startups and Canadian innovation.
Right.
And that's why we are bringing Jitex and Expand North Star for the first ever time to Canadian landscape, and they are doing roadshows and offering fully funded trips to Canadian startups to explore Berlin, Singapore, and Dubai.
Wow, that's a very crucial point that you said there, that people don't look beyond US. But global expansion can definitely open up new markets, attract investments, and also foster valuable partnerships for Canadian startups.
Yeah, don't get me wrong. US is a great market. It's one of, it's the biggest market. But at the same time, it's highly competitive also.
Right.
And, when we talk with Canadian founders, so when they go to the US markets, the valuation totally change. If a US startup is raising funding and a Canadian startup is raising funding, the valuation is totally changed.
Hmm.
And it's totally opposite when these Canadian startups go to other emerging markets, Asia, GCC. So they are highly welcome, and people are, I would say they are really thrilled to invest in Canadian startups and Canadian innovation.
That's so true. CSA is definitely playing such a vital role in, bridging the gap between Canadian founders and the emerging markets. Can you share some specific examples, Tehmina, of how CSA is facilitating connections, and supporting Canadian startups in their global expansion efforts, particularly in the Middle East, Asia, and beyond?
So, let me tell you, GITEX and Expand North Star is really a game changer, because when Canadian startups are attending these conferences, they are not only taking their startups and showing the innovation at a global stage, at the same time, they are meeting with the investors, not only investor, but their customers, and they are building partnerships. We took a delegation of 8 startups in October in Expand North Star.
Mhm.
And believe you me, one of the founder, he shared his experience that he has been, he spent months in, exploring US market, trying to talk to the investors and trying to, raise funding. And in Dubai, in just like few days, with, connecting with the potential buyers, connecting with investor, and, pitching to the investor, he was able to, initiate some serious conversation. And
Wow.
not only serious conversation, he was able to, build some real partnerships as well. And again, I will keep saying that, when you are going, exploring new markets, especially Singapore, Dubai, Berlin, and also Africa, so there is a big appetite to invest in North America and especially Canadian innovation. And when these Canadian startups are going there, and they are working with Canada Startup Association, so they are not just participating in a conference. We are curating a concert experience for them.
Right.
We are connecting them with the right investor. And also, what we believe is, it's not, it's not a one size fit startup for everyone. So
Right.
what we are doing, we know, and we trying to understand that what exactly the needs of the startup is.
Hmm.
And then we not only taking them to different markets, we are also mentoring them with the right tools, resources. We are creating a complete network and a, ecosystem for them. So when they are going to new markets, they will be handholded, and they will be able to actually not only raise funding, but at the same time, they will be able to bring that funding to Canada. It's not that if they are raising a funding, they
Right.
have to register their business in different markets. The money and the direct investment will be coming back to Canada. And that is what, our belief is, and that's what we are pushing for.
Wow, that's a beautiful thought process. And I loved how you said that one size doesn't fit all, right? Uh, you literally have to, especially for young entrepreneurs or people who are just starting out their journey, you have to literally spoon feed them the solutions, right? So yes, definitely the work that you're doing at CSA is truly remarkable, opening up new horizons for Canadian startups. Hey there, Canadian startup founders, are you ready to take your business to the next level? Explore the exciting opportunities offered by Joytex Global and Expand North Star. These global tech platforms can connect you with investors, partners, customers worldwide. Visit their websites to learn more and discover how you can participate in these game changing events. Now, let's continue our conversation with Tehmina and learn more about how CSA is, supporting Canadian startups on their journey to global success. A recent report by Export Development Canada found that only 20% of Canadian SMEs export their, products or services, highlighting the untapped potential, you can say, for Canadian businesses, right, to expand into international markets or go across the borders. Now, Tehmina, many Canadian startups tend to focus primarily on the US market, as we, mentioned in the earlier statement. Why is it essential, do you think, for them to diversify and explore opportunities in other regions such as the GCC, Europe, and Asia? You mentioned briefly about that. If you could just expand a little more on that.
So, just like you mentioned that, mostly, EDC stats you shared. And interestingly, we just partner with EDC
Mhm.
also, and we are trying to, bring more and more startups. We are talking to many entities. So just like you shared these, amazing insights from EDC. So we are also working with EDC now and some other entities, that how we actually help these startups to look beyond US and explore other markets. For just example, for GCC, it's a huge market, and they are actively looking to invest in a startup, clean tech, health tech,
Right.
smart city solutions. And we have amazing startups in Canadian innovation who are looking on these, in these domains. And at the same time, when a Canadian startup is looking beyond borders, so they are not only looking to raise funding, they are looking to, find new partnerships, find new clients. And with CSA, we are not only providing them networking, we are actually helping them to create leads and actually find the right buyers and go to these markets where they have the support and right network. And also they will be able to scale up, because when the Canadian startup are going to these markets, and there's an eye opener for them that
Mhm.
okay, not only for their solutions, not only they can sell it in Canada, they can sell to these market also, and there
Right.
is need. And also the transition to these market is much more easy and quick. We all know that how Canadian ecosystem works. It's really slow, but
Right.
when these Canadian startups are going to these markets, we are taking them to Asia, Europe, Dubai. They will be able to expand very quickly, and at the same time they will be able to learn about these market also, okay, how they can expand to these markets successfully.
Wow, that's such a valuable perspective, I'd say, diversification can mitigate risks. First of all, it can unlock new growth avenues, and it can also provide access to diverse talent pools and investment opportunities. Now, CSA is actively, encouraging startups to think differently, change their mindset, and scale strategically. Now, how are CSA's, mentorship programs, events, and community initiatives challenging the conventional startup mindset, and also how do they encourage founders to explore global opportunities?
So again, with CSA, what we are doing differently, we are focusing not only, definitely Canada is our local main market,
Mhm.
but what we are trying to help a startup to think beyond borders, and we are bringing a mindset shift in their work and
Mhm.
how they think. For example, what we are, we do mentoring programs, again, specific mentoring programs. We are bringing global partners
Right.
and global startups to mentor the startups, so they will be able to understand how other markets work. What now, the world has become a global village.
Right.
There is, what we talk about, the future of work. So we are living in
In
future
the
of
future
work.
of work,
So
right.
there is, the boundaries are just in our mind. So there is, we are living in a no boundary world. So these startup can easily expand to any market while being in Canada. And with that vision, what we are trying to do differently, we are bringing world to those startups, and we are not only taking these startups beyond border. At the same time, we are bringing world class mentors, world class organization to train these mentors, to connect with these mentors. So we are providing a ecosystem for these startups. And as you know, we have a specific focus on immigrant founders. And while working with immigrant founders, even though they have no social capital here, and they have to start from the scratch in this market, but at the same time, they have a lot of not only experience, but at the same time, they have a lot of connection in those markets.
Mhm.
So when we are taking these startups as Canadian startups back to those markets, so there is a lot of synergy and a lot of collaboration and lot of support for those startups. And this is what we are trying to do, is to take the Canadian innovation to the global stage.
Wow, again, whatever you guys are doing, it's commendable because you're literally getting the best from the world and putting them in front of them, right? All right, we'll be right back with insights on how CSA is supporting immigrant founders and helping them overcome unique challenges in the Canadian startup ecosystem. Stay tuned.
Hey, you think you know UPS? Yeah, that's us. Everybody knows that. You know what you didn't know? This. Okay, try to keep up. Ocean, us. Ground, rail, air, so us. Guess who? Us. Customs cleared, borders cleared, done. Us, us. You still with me? Wait for it. Boom. Us. Intelligent, automated, fulfillment. Us. Yep, healthcare too. Digital your thing? Yeah, well, book it, ship it, track it. You feeling me yet? Yep, that's all us. That's all UPS.
At IHG Hotels and Resorts, we're in the business of you.
We're here to help you plug in,
Connect and recharge.
Make an impression,
and meet with confidence.
With 19 brands built for business,
your business gets even more rewarding.
With an award-winning loyalty program at 6,000 IHG hotels and resorts worldwide.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's explore how CSA is empowering immigrant entrepreneurs to thrive in Canada's dynamic startup landscape. What else do you need if you're starting out? It's the only thing that you need, and definitely, it's a very inspiring mission. Your personal experience as an immigrant entrepreneur also gives you a unique understanding, of the nuances, of the challenges, and also the opportunities that is, faced by the community.
I would like to mention here about our GITEX Roadshow initiative also. And interestingly, I would like to share that, GITEX is a 40 years old conference and they are considered as the world largest IT conference. And this is the first time in Canadian history that they are coming to Canada and they
Wow.
are doing the roadshows.
That's big. I'm very excited for it.
Yeah, and we are not only bringing them only to Toronto. So what we are doing one roadshow in Toronto. We are doing key meetings. We are connecting them with the local stakeholders to to give them the feel of Canadian ecosystem. And at the same time, we are doing one roadshow in Mississauga, and we are doing one roadshow in Vancouver also. And again, in each roadshow, we are giving away one fully funded trip to those startups who are pitching there. So in the pitching competition, we are also we are inviting all the startups to apply for the pitch competition. You will be not only be eligible to get a fully funded trip, but at the same time you will be able to go to the conference and pitch at the global stage and pitch for the sorry I would like to repeat that. And at the same time, I'm also offering all the startup to apply for the pitch competition, because you will not only get a chance to go for a get a fully funded trip to either Berlin, Dubai, or you also be able to pitch and the semifinals of Supernova Challenge, where you'll be able to get a non-dilutive funding up to 100,000 USD. This is very important. And also we would like to showcase about Canadian innovation to those global, to the GITEX team, that, we have the innovation. And at the same time, for these startups, for these pitch competition, we will also be providing subsidies for those startups, if whosoever is willing to
Wow.
go to these conferences.
Great. There you have it. All the people who are listening to this, you have to pitch. We'll give you all the information on the screen down below. And yes, now CSA's commitment to policy advocacy, investment readiness, and also global networking is creating a more inclusive and supportive environment for immigrant founders. Tehmina, can you share some specific examples of, how CSA's initiatives are making a tangible difference in the lives of immigrant entrepreneurs and helping them achieve their business goals? Why I ask this is because it'll give, ready-made inspiration to all the listeners.
Thank you so much for asking this question, because I really want to share what we are doing differently. So one of the initiative that we have been talking about here is taking the startups globally.
Right.
And I keep saying to startup, stop looking at your backyard, explore the world. Being a startup, it means you are innovative, you need to be scalable. So you need to look beyond borders, go global, think big. This is the one thing that we are doing. Secondly, with our Agaz initiative that we it's our flagship event that we first time did last year. So Agaz is an Urdu word that means a new beginning. And with new beginning, we again, our slogan is breaking barriers, building bridges. It means that, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. What we are trying to do it here is there are a lot of resources available. So for a startups, you need to ask the right questions. So to get the right answer and right supports. And that's what we are trying to do it for them, that, okay, connecting them with the resources, providing them the tools that they need to, succeed and scale up. And we are also launching our another program. It's called SOAR. It's for the solopreneurs. A lot of time a lot of startups are solopreneurs
Right.
because they are wearing multiple hats. They are the CFO, they are the CTO, they are the
Right.
CEO, and they're all alone. And at some stage, they got their growth get stagnant. They get stuck. So with SOAR, what we are trying to build here and we are and the SOAR has a specific focus on women entrepreneurs because women are you know we being women, we all know that we are taking a lot of responsibility.
Yes.
We have to take care of our families, and and we are all of the women, I know that they are really hyperactive and they are highly ambitious.
Yes.
So for them, with SOAR, again, we will be providing them the resources. We will be creating a network, a safe space for them to grow. With CSA, our vision is to think differently, and again, going global is our motto, but at the same time, we would like to support Canadian economy with the Canadian innovation. We know that there is a productivity problem,
Right.
and we are trying to address all those areas and how we can actually increase the productivity, not only for the startup, but all the people, because if the startups grow, they can hire, they can create jobs.
Right.
If the innovation is right and they are going in the right direction, they would be scale up to different different territories, different areas, and in this way definitely we will have the foreign direct investment in you. We have seen amazing innovative startups in Canada, and all we want is to take them at the global stage and showcase the Canadian innovation to the world.
So powerful, reaching out is everything. It can work like magic, it can work like a wonder in your life. So you never know, reaching out is the best thing that you can do to yourself and your business. So CSA's dedication to empowering immigrant founders is truly, truly, truly inspiring. Tahmina, this has been an incredibly insightful conversation. I don't want it to stop, but due to time constraints we'll have to, but I'd love to do this again sometime with you as well. Just to wrap up, if there's one key message you want listeners to take away from this discussion, what would it be?
I would like to say to Canadian startups, your innovation is not only for Canada, it's for the world. Take it out, dream big, go there. And for immigrant founders, I would like to say, especially for you, you belong here. Your journey must be difficult, but you bring a lot of innovation, you bring a lot of impact. So you need to create impact, dream big, believe in yourself, and we are here to support you.
Wow, your energy, your aura, it feels like home, Tahmina. That's a very powerful and fantastic message. Your vision and leadership are making a significant impact on the Canadian startup ecosystem. It has been a pleasure having you on the podcast. Thank you so much for doing this. And
Thank you so much for the opportunity and for amplifying our voice. Thank you.
That was an inspiring conversation with Tahmina A. Chaudhary, founder and president of the Canada Startup Association, on the importance of global expansion for Canadian startups. Thank you so much to all the listeners for tuning into the Canadian SME Small Business Podcast. We truly appreciate your continued support. Be sure to subscribe to our podcast for more expert insights and resources that can help your business thrive. You can also visit our website, that is canadiansme.ca, for more valuable information and tools. A very special thank you to our podcast partners, RBC, UPS, IHG Hotels and Resorts, and Google for their ongoing commitment to empowering small businesses across Canada. Until next time, Kripa Anand signing off.